Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's video we are going to solve this nice geometry problem. In fact, the statement of the question is like PQRST is a pentagon in which angle Q and R are 90 degrees each, where angle T and S are 120 degrees each. Side length PQ, RS and ST are 3 units, 5 units and 7 units respectively. So here we have to find out the perimeter of this pentagon. So here three sides are given. In fact, we have to find out side length PT and QR. So if we have these two lengths, that means we will be having the perimeter of this pentagon. So in order to find out the perimeter of the pentagon, very first we will be use some sort of constructions. So here very first drop a perpendicular from T on QR. So with this manner, the foot of the perpendicular will be obtained on QR and let's call it as M. Similarly, drop a perpendicular from P to TM and let's call its foot as K. Similarly, drop another perpendicular from S on TK and let's call its foot as O. So, very first, here we have some right angle triangles. If we consider this right angle triangle, that is TOS, here this angle O is 90 degree, and this entire angle, in fact very first we will be considering this quadrilateral T, M, R and S. This angle is 90 degree. Similarly, this angle is also 90 degree. This angle S is 120 degree. That means this angle will be of 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. In fact, angle OTS is 60 degree. That means this angle is 90 degree, O is 90 degree, and angle S will be 30 degree. And one more thing will also be there, that here angle M, R and S, the entire angle was 120 degree, this is 30 degree. That means this angle will also be 90 degree. Similarly, this angle is 90 degree. That means in general MRSO is a rectangle. So here side length OM is equal to side length SR. That means OM will be 5 units of length. OM is of 5 units of length. And here OS is equal to MR. So these two lengths are also equal. Yes. So in right angle triangle TOS, SO will be given as TS cos 30 degree and TO will be given as TS sin 30 degrees. So from here we will have TS, that is 7, and cos 30 degree will be square root of 3 divided by 2, and TO, that is TS sin 30 degree. Here TS is 7 units and sin 30 degree will be 1 divided by 2. That means this is 7 divided by 2. So from here TO is 7 divided by 2 and OM is 5 units and PQ is 3 units. That means KM will also be 3 units since PKMQ is a rectangle. This angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree, and side length PQ will be equal to KM. So here if KM is 3 units of length and OM is 5 units, that means OK will be 2 units of length and OT is in fact 7 divided by 2. That means TK will be given as 2 plus 7 divided by 2, that will be 11 divided by 2. So in right angle triangle TKP, so in right angle triangle TKP we have one side length, that is TK, and very first we will be find out the angles of this triangle. So here the entire angle T was 120 degree and this portion is 60 degree, that means this portion will be 60 degree too. And if this angle is 90 degree, this is 60 degree, that means angle P will be of 30 degree. So in right angle triangle TKP, we can write in fact TK is equal to PT sine 30 degree. So from here we have Tk, that is 11 divided by 2, and Pt we will have to find out this length, and sine 30 is 1 divided by 2. So from here Pt will be of 11 units of length. So from here we have Pt length. Now we have to find out the length, in fact QR. So from here OS we have already find out it, that is 7 is square root of 3 divided by 2, and OS is equal to MR, that means this is also 7 is square root of 3 divided by 2, and this side length PK is equal to QM. So if we find out the PK, that means we have already find out the QM. So from here PK will be given as, in fact in triangle TKP, this side length PK can be given as PK is equal to PT cos 30 degree. So from here PK will be PT, that is 11 units, cos 30 degree will be square root of 3 divided by 2. That means QM is 11 is square root of 3 divided by 2. With this manner we have all the sides of this pentagon. That means the perimeter of this pentagon will be given as PQ plus QR plus RS plus RS plus ST plus SP, in fact TP. So if you put all the values, so from here the perimeter of this pentagon will be PQ, that is 3 units of length, QR, that is 11 is square root of 3 divided by 2 plus 7 is square root of 3 divided by 2 plus RS, that is 5 units of length, and ST, that is 7, and TP, that is 11. So this is the perimeter of this one particular pentagon. So very first we will be simplifying it. So 7 plus 3 is 10, and 5 15, and 11, that is 26. Further 11 is square root of 3 divided by 2, and 7 is square root of 3 divided by 2 will be 18 is square root of 3 divided by 2. Further it can be given as 26 plus 9 is square root of 3, that is the required perimeter of this pentagon, and this is the final answer of this question. Hope you understand the solution that we discuss here. So please like the video, share it with your friends who loves mathematics, and subscribe to the channel. And more importantly, thanks a lot for watching this video.